I'll continue on the last sutras itself. I'll talk on the science of miracles, where Patanjali talks about Janama Aushadhi Mantra Tapa Samadhija Siddhayaha. I'll expand Janma, how by birth you can inherit Siddhi. I think before talking about it, I should experience. That is the reason I think I went to Parani. I can say that that very DNA, the Pulipani's DNA, has really helped me to pick up so many different experiences. You can make people enlightened or experience extraordinary powers just by birth. Please understand. In my case, it happened. But we can consciously plan, prepare the mother when she is carrying child, teaching her the proper processes, meditations. By the time child is delivered, it can be enlightened. Instead of crying, it can just sit and laugh. And say, come on, owners, take the blessings. I am here. If the biomemory can be developed, built, it can directly change the very DNA system. Please understand. If you change your mind, you can change your brain. If we can inspire the pregnant mothers to meditate, if we can inspire the pregnant mothers to go through these proper processes, not only we can have enlightened kids, we can have the kids with extraordinary powers. By birth, something can be downloaded. Making knowledge out of the child's biomemory is very easy. When something is getting created, that's the best time to build as we want, create as we want. So Janma, by birth, we can bring extraordinary powers, experiences, enlightenment itself to the child's body. Understand? Till the delivery, till the moment that baby is delivered, the biomemories or the body or the life, everything is extension of mother. Only when the baby comes out, soul assumes that body, consciousness reflects on that body. If the biomemory is properly developed, planned and created, that kind of highly evolved soul assumes that body, gets into that body, descends on that body. It is possible we can create an extraordinary, highly powerful, highly evolved, highly inspired spiritual soul to the planet by the conscious process. I am already evolving an intense program. Now, my own experience with Pulipani, Vyakrabadar, and Bohar. I know the science now, how by birth this can be transmitted. By birth it can be handed over. In all Shiva temples, especially Nataraja temples, the Pulipani and Patanjali will be standing in two sides. Patanjali and Vyakrabada. Even in our Seattle Nataraja, at the feet of Seattle Nataraja, two saints will be standing. Devi will be sitting. One side, the snake-bodied deity is Patanjali. Another one side, the tiger-bodied rishi is Vyakrabada. Pulipani. The tiger-bodied saint is the guru of Patanjali. From this experience, I'll now create a unique program to give the highest spiritual experiences and powers and enlightenment to the human beings by birth. It will be wonderful. The moment child comes out, it just materializes and gives to the nurse and doctor and says blessings. It is possible. It is possible. We can do it. Because, see, sadhana is nothing but programming your biomemory to reflect your consciousness as much as you can. If the consciousness can reflect on your biomemory more and more extraordinary powers are expressed. That's all. See, now when I materialize or teleport Vibhuti or Kumkum on some devotee's house or some devotee's hands, all I do is just I align them to the superconscious state. That's all. Then automatically the extraordinary power happens. If the pregnant mothers can just stop creating depression and suffering for themselves, world will be out of terrorism. World will be out of terrorism if just pregnant mothers can take care that they don't create suffering for themselves, depression for themselves. That's enough. Nothing else is required. Because then there will not be a depression biomemory. Suffering biomemory is responsible for creating suffering to others. Please understand. Violence grows on suffering. If somebody does not torture themselves psychologically, suffer, there will not be violence. I am creating a program not only where the kids will be non-violent, they will be expressing extraordinary powers and energies. By Janma, the extraordinary powers and experiences are possible, is possible. Bogar is the great saint who went along with his disciple Pulipani to China, and Chinese medicine is the gift from Bogar. And there are some more recorded evidences available and the Karna Parampara stories transmitted, the knowledge transmitted from generation to generation, is the founding father of a great Siddha tradition. And very interestingly, he talks about just by look and the energy transmission, creating a divine child around the exact time and date and birthplace of Jesus. Very surprising recordings. And exactly around that same time, around the same space, place, he mentions, he looks at somebody and blesses, and that lady carries divine child, immaculate conception. Lot of extraordinary truths and secrets and techniques and methods are revealed by Patanjali's great master, Pulippani. And the great disciple of Bohar, about the science of giving siddhis, enlightenment, and extraordinary powers and experiences by birth. Maybe I'll bring you the original sutras and talk about it to you all, referring to the original sutras and translations in a detailed way. 2-3 sessions on this part, how by birth you can give extraordinary siddhis, extraordinary powers and experiences and enlightenment itself to a child, so that we will create a course on enlightened pregnancy, bringing enlightened kids to the planet Earth. I bless you all.
Putting all my trust in you.